In this video, I'll guide you through how to search hotels with flexible dates on Agoda. This is especially useful if your travel plans aren't set in stone and you want to find the best combination of price, dates, and hotel options without having to search over and over again. Let's start from the very beginning. When you open Agoda, you'll see the main search area, usually near the top of the page. Here, you'll enter your destination. This could be a city, a region, or sometimes even a landmark or neighborhood, depending on how specific you want to be. As you type, Agoda will often suggest popular destinations. Go ahead and pick the one that matches where you're planning to go. Once you've chosen your destination, the next step is to look at the dates section. Normally, you'd pick specific check-in and check-out dates from the calendar, but because we're focusing on flexible dates, you want to look for an option that mentions flexible or approximate dates. On many versions of Agoda, this appears either as a toggle, a checkbox, or a special tab near the date selector. Click into the dates area and carefully check whether there's a setting for flexibility. Sometimes you might see options like flexible dates, I'm flexible, or approximate dates. When you select this, Agoda will understand that you're open to different check-in and check-out days around your general time frame rather than fixed dates only. After you choose the flexible or approximate date option, you'll usually be able to indicate roughly how long you want to stay. Depending on what Agoda offers at that moment, you might see suggestions like a 3-night stay, a 1-week stay, or even a 1-month stay. Pick the duration that best matches your plans. For example, if you know you want a short city break, 3 nights might be ideal. If you're planning a longer vacation or remote work trip, a week or a month could make more sense. Once that's set, run the search. Agoda will now show you hotel options across a range of dates that fit the duration you selected. Instead of being locked into just one check-in day, you'll be able to browse different date combinations and see how prices and availability change from one period to the next. Take your time exploring these results. Look at how rates vary depending on the starting date of your stay, and pay attention to any special deals that appear on certain days. You might notice that shifting your stay by just a day or two can significantly reduce the cost or open up better hotel choices. When you've found a date range and hotel that look good, compare a couple of options if you like, checking things such as reviews, location, and cancellation policies. Then choose the best date and hotel combination for your needs. Once you're happy with your choice, you can move on to the booking process as usual. That's all there is to it. By using Agoda's flexible or approximate dates feature, you can quickly compare stays across several days or even weeks and lock in the option that fits both your schedule and your budget.